Kia ora and welcome to Tracy's walk in Maraetai. We'll be starting from the beautiful Te Pini beach and heading down the chill pathway to Maraetai. Whether you're planning a family stroll or a scenic bike ride, there's something for your eyes to celebrate. Look at these incredible views across the sparkling Hauraki Gulf. Hit subscribe and enjoy this Maraetai ride.
It's just a wee beach, isn't it? This beach looks really rough as well in terms of shell. The sand doesn't look very nice and squishy. Look sharp and ouchy. Geographical Information Board. Okay. Now the closest one, Waiheke Island. Passage Rock. I can't really see it. Somewhere here. Pohutukawa Island, all the way around. Heading down. Fanui Island, or Chamberlain's Island is what it's called. Coromandel Ranges, moving slightly further across. 5th of Thames. McCullum's Island, or Sandspit Island. And then you've got Kawakawa, probably Kawakawa Bay I assume. And Duda's Regional Park. Oh, Duda's up and around that corner. Very cool. Oh, interesting. This pathway here is called Traceys Walk, goes towards the Maraetai Beach Bowling Club, where there's a boating club, bowling club, which is also where another boat ramp is. It's pretty scenic. I've already seen it. This is glorious. Have a look. Super beautiful. And down. I have to say, Tracy's Walk is super beautiful. You got all these little rock pooly things. Be interested to see how high this gets during high tide. What is that? Blackbirds. RIP. Did they hang the bike up there? Was this a conscious
Was this a joke?
rest in peace? Like maybe that bike often did these pathways. I was like, we'll hang it where it biked most. A little bay there. That's pretty neat. Yeah, boats and all the rest of that. Actually almost start to see some of that Duda's park, regional park from here. Ooh. Oh, there's a boat down there that doesn't sound like it's having a great time.
Oh no,
I can't.
got the winch.
Can't really see it through the trees.
I was just winching.
Whoa, Frankie, that was a
Oh, wow.
huge jump. How did you do that? Whoa, you guys are jumping so high.
Crazy. They're going to be basketballers when they grow up. There we go. Boat entrance here. These guys trying to regrain there. Get it. Well, I think Tracey has a wonderful look. So here, this is the Maraetai Boating Beach. Park itself. Oh, hello seagull. That was close. It's just over there. It's kids' playgrounds, another boat access, and bay all the way along. This is the Maraetai Beach Boating Club access. So if you wanted to bring your boat in, this is where you go. You're lucky. There's also a kids' playground on this side as well, and plenty of car parking and a toilet. And what you can see on that little peninsula popping out is Duda's Regional Park. If you haven't subscribed yet, why aren't you? Seriously, if it's
it's not for me, do it because this view is totally amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.